What do you do when you get the perfect shot and the audio ruins everything? Because this is one of the most frustrating moments in filmmaking. You finish your shoot, the performance was great, the visuals worked, you transfer your files, open your edit, and then you hear it. The background noise bleeding into every line, the room's echo swallowing your actor's voice, background music baked into your footage that you can't separate. You can't go back to set. You can't afford ADR, and you don't have a sound engineer waiting to fix it for you. So what do? Most filmmakers think there's only one answer. You move on, or you reshoot. But that's not actually true, because in this video, we're going to break down how to fix broken, unusable, and even complicated audio in post without reshooting, without a sound engineer, and without expensive software slowing you down. Now, to make this simple, we're going to break everything into 3 types of audio problems that almost every filmmaker deals with. The first is noisy audio. This is when your dialogue is destroyed by the environment you shot in. Maybe you shot in locations you could not control, like a market, a street, cars, wind, or a room where people were talking in the background. All of it baked directly into the same track as your actor's voice. So what do you do when the damage is already done? It's simple. Use lalal.ai's voice cleaner. This is where we'll be introducing the tool sponsoring this video. And we agreed to feature lalal.ai because it actually solves these frustrating problems for filmmakers. Lalal.ai is an AI-powered audio processing platform that runs entirely in your browser. It lets you upload your audio or video file, separate what shouldn't be there from what actually matters, and restructure your sound in a way that gives you back control for free. You don't need any sound engineering experience, there are no plugins to install, and there's no complicated setup. Now, we had a friend send us some audio from her film set recently, and it came in really noisy. Let's listen to it together first, and then we'll fix it using lalal.ai.
I thought this scene was perfect until the noise made it completely unusable.
Yeah, you can hear how everything is fighting the voice. So we'll test this now. We'll upload this file, select Voice Cleaner, and the AI, trained on millions of audio files, separates the voice from everything competing with it. Background noise, mic rumble, and it removes all of it. What we're left with is the voice.
I thought this scene was perfect until the noise made it completely unusable.
Now, listen to it again before we fixed it with lalal.ai.
I thought this scene was perfect until the noise made it completely unusable.
And then, listen to what it sounds like after the noise is removed.
I thought this scene was perfect until the noise made it completely unusable.
It's now clean, clear, and usable. And for a filmmaker who thought that scene was gone, this is a rescue. Now let's move to the second problem, distorted space. This one is dangerous because it doesn't always feel obvious on set. You're indoors, you're monitoring through headphones, everything seems fine during the shoot. But when you get into the edit, the room takes over. Every word echoes. Every sentence drags into the next. The dialogue sounds like it was recorded in a bathroom or an empty warehouse. And even if the audience doesn't understand why, they feel it immediately. This is reverb, and it's one of the hardest problems to fix because it's not sitting on top of the voice, it is part of the voice. We also had a sound engineer friend send us this voice clip, but listen to the echo in it.
Every word I'm saying is getting lost in the space around me.
But again, instead of losing the scene, you upload that same clip and use the echo and reverb remover. It processes the audio, strips away that room effect, and brings the voice forward. And the result is something better.
Every word I'm saying is getting lost in the space around me.
Here's before.
Every word I'm saying is getting lost in the space around me.
And here's after.
Every word I'm saying is getting lost in the space around me.
For indie filmmakers shooting in apartments, offices, churches, or schools, places where acoustic treatment is not an option, this is the difference between scrapping a scene and saving your film. Now, the third problem, locked music. You find a song that fits your scene perfectly. The emotion is right, but you can't use it. The licensing is too expensive, or the rights holders don't respond, or worse, you use it anyway, and the platform flags your video, kills your monetization, or blocks it entirely. This is one of the most frustrating realities filmmakers face, because it feels like you've lost control completely. But what you don't realize is this: you don't always need the whole song. Most of the time, what makes a track work for a film scene is not the vocals. It's the groove, the instrumentation, the texture underneath. And lalal.ai's stem splitter lets you separate any song into its individual components: vocals, instrumental, drums, bass, guitar, synth. Each one extracted cleanly and ready to use. Now let's test this using a track from AudioSocket. By the way, if you're looking for great music for your projects, you can find it on AudioSocket. There's a discount link in the description. We'll run this through the stem splitter and isolate the drums. Listen to the drums on their own. Now listen again without them. And now we bring them back. You can literally break a track into its individual elements. Now you remove what you don't need and keep what you do. And just like that, something that was unusable becomes usable again. Now, this is not just about cleaning audio. This is about protecting your work from problems that cost you. And the best part is, you can try this immediately. You don't need to download anything. And yes, you can actually start using it for free. So if you want to test this on your own footage, the link is in the description. Just upload your file and see what happens. If this is something you've struggled with, let me know in the comments. And if you love this video, comment, "I love this video," and share it with a filmmaker who needs to see it. This video is proudly sponsored by lalal.ai, and our opinions are our own, based on real use and testing.